Hi everyone, this is Vince.
This is Giacinto.
At Calendbook, we're going to show you today how to integrate Calendbook with 5,000 apps. Just click on the menu here, click Integrations, and via Zapier, you can send Calendbook links automatically to Google Sheets, to Slack, MailChimp, Gmail, wherever. Let's try out with Google Sheets. Just click on Use this Zap. Get into Zapier, get started, connect your Calendbook account. Zapier gets data from Calendbook. Then you can connect your Google Sheets account as well as your Drive. Then create a spreadsheet beforehand. I call it Calendbook email leads, as well as create a couple of headers like email and full name of the guests that book you. And then you match the fields to the headers. So we'll match also the full name. And from here, we'll move on to next. And we can send a test via Zapier. As soon as this test is done, we can test live with Giacinto. So this test works. Let's turn on the Zap. And as soon as that's done, we'll do the final testing and show you how everything works. So that new bookings from Calendbook will show as new spreadsheet rows on Google Sheets. All right.
Okay, now I can book you, so we can test. Okay, done. We should be able to see.
Boom, done. It's that easy. Let us know your thoughts if you have any questions on this YouTube video or on our live chat on calendbook.com. If you have any proposals on new Zap templates you'd like to see, please let us know. We're here to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.